The jungle does not keep secrets, it buries them. For centuries, whispers echoed through the canopy. Legends told by local tribes, maps drawn by doomed explorers. They all pointed to the same impossible truth: a city of gold, a metropolis of a forgotten people, a civilization that achieved the impossible and then vanished. But the jungle guards its acquisitions. Expedition after expedition went in. None came out. The city was dismissed as a myth, a fevered dream of men lost to the green. The world moved on, but the jungle remembered. This is nature as a conqueror, an empire of green, patient and relentless. When the last human footstep faded, the siege began. First, the vines. They probe, they grip, they strangle. Then the roots. They do not go around, they go through. They crack stone, they topple statues, they pull empires back into the earth piece by agonizing piece. A metropolis is reduced to rubble, and rubble is reduced to soil. In a single century, a city built to last 1,000 years is erased from sight, hidden, swallowed, digested. Victory for the green inferno. For 1,000 years, the jungle held its prize. It ruled the ground, but it couldn't hide from an eye that sees through the leaves. Modern technology. LiDAR, a beam of light pulsed from the sky millions of times per second. It doesn't see the canopy, it sees the ground. It maps the unmappable. It reveals the unseeable. And when the data returned, the world fell silent. The whispers were true. The myths were real. Behind the impenetrable green lay the perfect grid of streets, the foundations of massive pyramids, the outline of a sprawling, sophisticated city. We create cinematic journeys like this every week, uncovering the world's greatest mysteries. If you believe these stories need to be told, subscribe now so you never miss an expedition. The jungle hid a ghost, but with this data, we see a kingdom. Using the power of AI, we can now rebuild what nature tried to erase. We can see it as they saw it. The towering pyramids, vibrant with color. The grand plazas filled with people. The wisdom of astronomers. The power of kings. The lives of mothers and children. A civilization not lost, but waiting. The jungle tried to bury their story. Instead, it preserved it. There are thousands of other cities still lost to the world. What lost civilization do you want us to uncover next? Let us know in the comments below.